This thing, yeah, this thing can go 320. It can go fucking fast, dude. Oh shit!
Dude,
Oh
you
shit!
are on
Oh no!
ass in that little hatchback.
I just killed the VIP too. She got wrecked. Oh no, she's good. She's good. She's good. I hit the e-brake.
Ooh. How the hell did she survive that? Flying out the window.
That is so good.
Is there any other game they'd be missing like fucking legs and eyes?
What happened to my multi-gun? Oh Jesus.
That was amazing.
Why did she like spill out of the side, dude? That didn't make any sense.
This is why we wear seatbelts.
There you go. Now you can make it. Oh, dude, can you make a informational video?
Yeah, you can totally make a seatbelt safety